Hello everyone, my name is David from Litex Tech Support channel, and today I want to show you how to change the account type of a user on a Windows 11 operating system. As an example, I have this account right now. This is my main one. I will blur that, but this account have administrative rights. So what if I want to remove or add administrative rights or just to switch to a standard account? No problem, we can do all that. So let's get started. On the bottom of your screen, you should have a search bar, and here we'll have to search for control panel, because from here we can change that. And on the right side of your screen you should have user accounts and change account type of your users. I will hit that, and here you should have all the users that you have created on your PC or computer. As an example, I have this user which I created for tests, for tutorials. I will person that this account have standard rights. This account do not have any administrative rights or cannot make any changes to the computer. So what if I want to give this user some rights? So first you'll have to make sure that you are connected in your main account that have administrative rights. In my case, I'm connected already. And once you click here on the user that you want to give rights or to remove rights, let's click on that. And here you can locate on the left side change account type, and from here you can give them rights if you select the administrator, or if you want to give them standard rights, you will have just to select the standard, and after that you can confirm by pressing on change account type. In my case, this user have standard right, not administrator rights. Let's give it administrator rights and press on account type. Right now, if you have a look underneath, you can see test to local account has administrator rights because it says administrator right underneath. So let's remove it again. Right now I can select the administrator because it has already that right. I will press select standard and press again on a change account type, and right now it says nothing underneath that. So this is how to change an account type on a Windows 11. I really hope I was being helpful with this tutorial. Don't forget to smash the like button, and please have a great day.